Okay, so today I'm fixing up another failure. So in a previous video I showed that I'd printed these little items here and then screwed together these support panels for the CNC machine. And small issue, they either broke, pulled out, and generally didn't work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the 3D pen to join them together instead of just using these screws and things, because they quite literally broke within 48 hours. The thing was in pieces, so complete shambles, complete waste of effort. And yeah, in my defense, I have no defense, but in my defense, at the time I didn't have the 3D pen, so the technology wasn't available to me. It's my excuse, so I'm going to stick with it. So I'll keep it relatively simple, and see how we go. Right, so I'm just using some PLA because I've printed these in PLA. I think I need to turn the speed down for this bottom part. So this should come out a lot stronger than what I had previously. I think it's already coming out a lot stronger. Yeah, far superior. The thing I find with the pen when you're doing longer runs is it's sometimes tricky to get the extrusion level correct, because you know you obviously don't want too much, because otherwise you just end up with a big blobby mess. And if you have too little, well, it just doesn't work. Alright, so you can see there's kind of a mess up here where the screw broke away. So yeah, definitely wasn't a very good outcome. I actually thought I'd broken this just before, but what it was the filament had just jammed up inside, so gave it a quick tear down and she was good to go again. I thought the cogs had stripped actually on the extruder, but in the pressure of actually trying to pull the filament out, actually seems like it's a really strong extruder. Oh yeah, that's feeling pretty good actually. Right. There we go. Let's see if we can. So I might do the front bit first. If you let go, Jay, when you're finished, it will work much better. Let's just hold it down. Oops. Just try not to break it already. So yeah, I think this is working much better. I sort of, after I broke this, you know, after it fell apart, I have to admit I sort of lost my drive a little bit with the CNC project. So haven't really done any more since then. So thought, oh, let's get this back together and then can restart. Carry on with that project, because realistically I don't think it's that far away from actually being usable. Just need to build the top support. Come on, warm up. Just need to build the top support and the holder for the tool that I'm going to be using, which is just a rotary tool. It's cooling down. So this thing, when you run quite a bit of filament through it, it will cool it down. So you just have to wait for it to heat back up again. And away you go. I find it's actually more fussy on PLA, sorry, ABS. It will cool down much quicker. Here we go, how's that looking? Oh yeah, that's an improvement. So I just have it feeding off a spool just to the side. The top one, the purple, is PLA, and the bottom one is ABS. It's easier than just running short pieces at a time and having to re-thread them through. There we go. Right, I'll unplug that so it can cool down. That is a lot stronger than what it was. Yeah, much better. Nowhere near as flimsy. Yeah, no, I'm happy with that. Nothing like adding a new color as well. So one thing I noticed with the last video that I put up is the audio is very bassy. get a external microphone and see how that improves things. I think it's a bit of a problem with these GoPro 6s, GoPro Hero 6s. The onboard microphones just seem to be bassy when used directly, but otherwise it's okay. Quite happy with this position. I seem to be going out of frame a lot less than otherwise, so that's all good. Anyway, just like I say, just a quick repair of a previous failure, and I think this one will be so much better. Thank you for watching.